Whenever we see the birds flying in the sky, we are always curious to know about how they actually fly. So students, let's start a discussion about the class Aves. The third class of the superclass Tetrapoda is the class Aves, which includes all the birds. The birds originated at the end of the Jurassic period of the Mesozoa era and modernization in the Cretaceous era. The arrangement of the wings on the body of the bird is known as pterolysis. The body is boat-shaped and it is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. There is a cover of soft feather present all over the body, and this is known as the plumage. The soft feather is a derivative of the stratum corneum. The stratum corneum is the outermost layer of epidermis, and this consists of dead cells. The scales are found only on the hind limbs. The skin is dry and without glands, but oil glands, or also known as the preen glands, found on the tail or the urophygium. This shows the morphology of the bird, in which you can see the crown region. There is an ear patch just behind the eyes of the bird's hair, and this is the head portion. A neck is also shown here. This is the tail region, and this region is the trunk region. You can also see here that the hind limbs are scaly. The cloaca present in the bird is three-chambered. An epidermal horny sheath is present on the beak, known as rhamphotheca. Spongy lungs are present for respiration. Air sacs are also present along with the lungs. These help in the flying. There is a sound producing organ at the junction of the trachea and the bronchi of the birds. This sound producing organ is known as syrinx. The heart is four-chambered, completely divided into two auricles and two ventricles. Sinus venosus is absent, but a right aortic arch is present. Birds are monocondylic, having a single occipital condyle. The centrum of the vertebrae is heterocoelous, means in the heterocoelous vertebrae, the vertebrae is saddle shaped. Some vertebrae of the posterior body, they join together to form a structure known as the synsacrum. The last four caudal vertebrae, they fuse to form a pygostyle. There is a keel that offers a joint plane for the flight muscles, and it is highly developed in the flying birds. Two bones, clavicle and interclavicle, they fuse to form a V-shaped furcula, and this furcula is also known as wishbone or merrythought bone. Furcula is absent in the flightless birds. So this figure shows the bird's skeleton, in which you can see the furcula. It is V-shaped, formed by the fusion of the clavicle and the interclavicle. There is a keel that offers a joint plane for the flight muscles. There is a pygostyle that is formed by the fusion of the four last caudal vertebrae. So these are the important parts in the bird skeleton. The kidneys are metanephric and trilobe, and the birds are uricotelic, means the excretory matter in the birds is uric acid. The excreta of the marine bird is known as the guano. The eyes are large and they are surrounded by rings made up of bony plates, also known as the sclerotic ossicles. There is a nictitating membrane present in the eye. This nictitating membrane is known as the third eyelid, and it helps in protection of the eyelids of the birds by moistening them. So they moisten the eyelids. The vision is unilocular in the birds, and there is a specific comb-like structure known as the pecten found in eyes of all the birds except kiwi. This pecten is pigmented structure, but it is non-sensory. So this figure shows a comb-like structure, that is the pecten, in the eyes of the birds. Also you can see the sclerotic ring, the sclerotic ossicles, and here you can see the nictitating membrane that serves as a third eyelid in the bird's eye. The external ears are present but ear pinnae are absent. Columella bone, the stapes ear ossicle is found in the middle ear, and cochlea is present in the internal ear, but cochlea is not coiled. The birds are monotelphic, means only one ovary works. One ovary is functional, that is the left ovary or the left oviduct. The birds are unisexual and copulatory organ is absent in the males. The fertilization is internal, and the eggs of the birds are large, megalecythal, means having a large amount of yolk, and telolecithal means that the yolk is concentrated only at one end. And the birds also have cladoic egg, means closed eggs. The development is direct, means no larval stage is present. All embryonic membranes are present. So birds are included under the Amniota group. So students, now you know what actually makes the bird fly, about their wings and about their bones. So in this part, we discussed about all the general characters that are included in the class Aves. In the next part, we'll start a discussion about the last class, that is the class Mammalia.